Let's make a Halloween DIY craft for our coffee bar. We are going to make a pumpkin spice latte that looks like a ghost. So the first thing you're going to need is a Halloween mug. You're going to need a styrofoam ball, any glitter you want to use. If you'd like a straw to put into your cup, you're going to need some Model Magic or some air dry clay, and you're going to need some whipped clay. The whipped clay comes in these little tubes inside the box with some tips. Okay. We're going to need a dual temperature hot glue gun and put our setting on low so that we don't melt the styrofoam. Okay, so you need to find a styrofoam ball that fits. I'm going to use 2 of them. I'm going to put the next one right on top. Damn, I like it. Now we gotta give it a couple minutes to dry. Okay, cool. So it's gonna create like this nice mound on top where the whipped cream is gonna be. The next step is to use some Model Magic or some air dry compound. Either way is fine. We're just going to go ahead and form it into a nice disc to put on top. That's so that if any of the styrofoam ball shows through, it won't. Alright, so the next step is to use our whipped clay. They come with different size tips. I'm going to use either the big one or the medium one. Alright, so what we do is we just start piping it on as if it's, whipped cream. You just go around and around and around and around. It's solid, but oh my gosh, look at how textured that is. Oh my god, that looks so cute. Look at how textured. Okay, now if we want to make an extra dollop on the top, we can. No, that makes them look so cute. I like the extra little dollop. Okay, now, what we need to do is we definitely need to put like a little, straw, right? Now we add some sparkles, the magic. Are you ready for the reveal? Let's check it out! If you like this video, click subscribe, give it a like, and hit the bell to get notifications.